Good morning, children. Today I am going to solve exercise 2.1. This topic is a relation in function. Okay. Now you see question first. If x plus x upon 3 plus 1 comma y minus 2 upon 3 equal to 5 upon 3 comma 1 upon 3. What is this? This is the ordered pair. Equality in ordered pair. Find the values of x and y. So how to solve? Exercise 2.1. Question number 1. X upon 3 plus 1 comma y minus 2 upon 3 equal to 5 upon 3 into 1 upon 3. And now you compare. This is first one. X upon 3 plus 1 equal to 5 upon 3. X upon 3 equal to 5 upon 3 minus 1, that is 5 minus 3 upon 3. And now what is x upon 3 equal to 2 upon 3, 3 cancel. What is this? X equal to 2. And then y minus 2 upon 3 equal to 1 upon 3. Then y equal to 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3. That is y equal to LCM 3, 2 plus 1, then y equal to 3 upon 3, it is 1. So what is the value of y? That is 1. So this is the solution of question number 1. And now you see question number 2. If the set A has 3 elements and the set B equal to 3, 4, 5, then find the number of elements in A cross B, Cartesian product of A and B. So how many elements in set A? Question number 2, we write number of element in set A, that is 3. And number of element in set B, it is 1, 2, 3. So that will be 3. So now we have to find A cross B. N means number of ordered pair in A cross B. That means the formula we have done already, N A into N B. Okay. So what is this? N A 3 and N B also 3. That is 9. So how many elements in A cross B? There are 9 elements. Got the answer? Okay. The next question is, this is question number 6. What is 6? If A cross B equal to, question number 6, A cross B equal to A comma X, one ordered pair, A comma Y, B comma X, B comma Y. Find A and B. So write first of all A. Question number 6. A cross B equal to A comma X, A comma Y, B comma X and B comma Y. Okay. And now we have to find set A and set B. So what is set A? Okay, set A is the first set. So these elements A, B and B. We write A, comma B, comma B. All the elements of set A. But we know that an element write only one time. That means A and A you will write only one time. B and B only one time. That is the A, comma B. Set B is the second one. What is second one? It is X. It is Y. X, comma Y. Then again X. Then again Y. Okay. Then what is the B? B equal to X, comma Y. In set we will not repeat any element. Okay. So set A equal to A comma B and set B equal to X comma Y. This is the solution of this problem. Okay. Another question. It is question number 7. Try to understand 7. Let A 1, 2, B 1, 2, 3 and C 5, 6. Okay. D 5, 6, 7, 8. Verify that A cross B intersection C equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. So in this solution, what will you do first? We will find B cross C. Okay. The solution, question number 7, B cross C. What is B cross C? Sorry, B intersection C. B intersection C. So intersection means we have to take common elements. B and C, there is no common element. It means empty set, represented by 5. And now A. It is A cross B intersection C. Okay. What is A? 1, 2. Cross empty set, that is 5. So what is the Cartesian product? Only 5. Okay. No ordered pair is possible. On the right hand side, it is the left hand side, right hand side, left hand side, right hand side. What is right hand side? We have to do A cross B intersection A cross C. Alright. A cross B first. A cross B. What is A cross B? 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, then 2, 1, then 2, 2, then 2, 3, and then 2, 4. And then we have to find A cross C. Okay. What is A cross C? C 5, 6. A 1, 2, 5, 6. So what is the ordered pair? 1, 5. Alright. And then 1, 6, 2, 5, 2, 6. Okay. And now we have to check A cross B and A cross C. Any ordered pair is common. Intersection means common. A cross B intersection. This is the intersection. A cross C. Anything is common in this one. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 5, 2, C. We will not. There is no common ordered pair. That means empty set. Okay. So here is. This is the empty set. Okay. And that is the also empty set. It means left hand side equal to A cross B intersection C equal to A cross B intersection A cross B intersection A cross C. This is the verification of this problem. Okay.